This is the ultimate list of the most reliable new cars you can buy for under $65,000 in 2025. Today, we're not just talking about style or speed, we're talking about cars that start every morning, don't leave you stranded, and won't surprise you with big repair bills. If you care about dependability and long-term value, you're in the right place. We've narrowed it down to 6 vehicles that mechanics trust and owners love. These are the cars that top the charts for durability and low ownership costs. Ready to see which models made the cut? Let's dive into the most reliable cars for 2025. Kicking off the list is the 2025 Toyota Camry Hybrid, the gold standard for reliability. The Camry's reputation is legendary, and for 2025 it's hybrid-only, powered by Toyota's bulletproof hybrid Synergy drive. This system is famous for lasting hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal issues. The new Camry pairs this proven tech with a sharp design and upgraded interior. You get great fuel economy, a comfortable ride, and all the latest tech, without sacrificing reliability. The eCVT transmission has fewer moving parts than a traditional automatic, which means fewer things to break. Maintenance is affordable, parts are easy to find, and resale value is among the best in its class. Standard Toyota safety, Sense 3.0, means you're also getting top-notch safety features. It's not the most thrilling car, but it's the one you can count on for a decade or more. If you want a car that just works, year after year, the Camry Hybrid is hard to beat. Buy it, drive it, and forget about it, except for oil changes and tire rotations. That's true peace of mind. The Camry Hybrid is the benchmark for reliability in 2025. It's the car you recommend to friends and family. For value, dependability, and low stress, it's a clear winner. If you want a car that's always ready, this is it. The Camry Hybrid sets the standard. Want Toyota reliability with a luxury twist? Enter the 2025 Lexus ES350. It's essentially a Camry in a tuxedo, same commitment to quality, but with premium materials and a serene ride. The naturally aspirated V6 is a proven workhorse, paired with a robust 8-speed automatic. Inside, you get plush leather, quiet comfort, and a cabin that feels built to last. Lexus dominates reliability surveys, and the ES350 is a standout even among Lexuses. Dealer service is top-notch. Expect loaner cars, great waiting rooms, and stress-free maintenance. The ES350 isn't just reliable, it's a pleasure to own. The latest infotainment system is intuitive, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Safety features are comprehensive, and you can opt for the ES300h Hybrid if you want even better fuel economy. This is a car that protects you from both accidents and unexpected repair bills. For under 65 grand, you get a luxury sedan that feels like it should cost much more. The ES350 is for buyers who want substance, comfort, and long-term satisfaction. It's a fortress of reliability and refinement. If you want luxury without the headaches, this is your car. The ES350 is the smart choice for the discerning driver. It's built to last, inside and out. Reliability, comfort, and class, all in one package. The Honda Accord is the Camry's lifelong rival, and just as reliable. The 2025 Accord blends dependability, style, and a surprisingly fun drive. Honda's hybrid system is efficient and proven, delivering punchy performance and stellar fuel economy. The Accord stands out for its engaging handling and precise steering, perfect for drivers who still love the road. Inside, you get a smart, user-friendly cabin with upscale touches and plenty of space. The trunk is huge, and rear seat legroom rivals luxury sedans. Honda's legendary engines and simple, robust engineering mean low maintenance and high resale value. Standard Honda sensing safety features keep you protected. Whether you choose the hybrid or the turbocharged base engine, you're getting a car built to last. The Accord is practical, fun, and incredibly reliable. It's the people's choice for a reason. If you want a sedan that does everything well, the Accord delivers. Need versatility and all-weather confidence? The 2025 Subaru Outback is your answer. It's not quite an SUV, not quite a wagon, just pure Outback. Subaru's full-time symmetrical all-wheel drive and high ground clearance make it a go-anywhere, all-weather champ. Boxer engines keep the center of gravity low for stable, car-like handling. Choose from a reliable 2.5L four-cylinder or a punchy turbo. The interior is spacious, practical, and built for real life. Think water-repellent upholstery and clever storage. Subaru's owner community is fiercely loyal, and it's easy to see why. These cars last. Integrated roof crossbars and a huge cargo area make it perfect for adventures. Standard EyeSight driver assist adds top-tier safety. The Outback is a favorite for families, outdoor lovers, and anyone who needs a car that just keeps going. It's built for the long haul, rain, snow, or shine. Reliability is in its DNA. If you want a car that's ready for anything, the Outback is it. It's practical, safe, and tough as nails. The Outback is the ultimate adventure-ready, reliable ride. Want a reliable crossover that's actually fun to drive? Meet the 2025 Mazda CX-5. Mazda's reputation for reliability now rivals Toyota and Honda, and the CX-5 is a prime example. It's agile, responsive, and feels like a sports sedan behind the wheel. Choose from a smooth 2.5L engine or a turbocharged version for extra punch, both paired with a proven 6-speed automatic. Mazda's conservative engineering means fewer headaches and more miles of trouble-free driving. The interior is upscale, with real wood, Nappa leather, and a design that feels premium. Infotainment is controlled by a rotary knob, less distracting and easy to use. Standard all-wheel drive and a full suite of safety features make it practical for any climate. The CX-5 may not have the biggest cargo space, but it's built to last and a joy to drive. Mazda's focus on refinement and reliability shines through. It's a crossover with the soul of a sports car. For drivers who want more than just basic transportation, the CX-5 is a standout. Dependable, stylish, and fun. What more could you want? The CX-5 proves reliability doesn't have to be boring. Ready for the future? The 2025 Hyundai Ioniq 6 brings electric reliability to the list. EVs have fewer moving parts, no engine, no transmission, no oil changes, so there's less to go wrong. The Ioniq 6 is built on Hyundai's proven eGMP platform, with fast charging and up to 361 miles of range. Hyundai backs it with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, the best in the business. Vehicle-to-load tech lets you power devices or even your home in a pinch. The design is sleek and aerodynamic with a futuristic, spacious interior. Early data shows Hyundai's EVs are holding up well, with minimal issues. No leaky gaskets, no failing transmissions, just simple, dependable electric driving. Battery degradation is covered by the warranty, so you can drive with confidence. The Ioniq 6 is perfect for buyers ready to ditch gas and embrace the future. It's practical, stylish, and worry-free. For cutting-edge reliability, the Ioniq 6 is a top pick. Hyundai's warranty gives you peace of mind as EV tech evolves. If you want a dependable electric car, this is it. The Ioniq 6 is the future of reliable transportation. There you have it, 6 of the most reliable cars for 2025, all under $65,000. From the Camry and ES350 to the Outback, CX-5, and Ioniq 6, there's a dependable option for every kind of driver. Choosing reliability saves you money, reduces stress, and makes ownership a joy. Which car would you trust for the long haul? Let me know in the comments. Your experiences help others make smart choices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more deep dives into the best cars on the market. Until next time, drive safe and choose wisely.